Okay, I'm about to ruffle some braids with this one, but we need to talk. Protective styles, they're not always as protective as we've been told. Let's discuss. I know, we grew up hearing that braids, wigs, twists, and cornrows are the holy grail for length retention. But here's the thing, if you're not doing it right, your protective style might actually be damaging your hair. Let's unpack the truth. What protective styles are supposed to do. The original idea behind protective styles is beautiful, or protective styling is beautiful. Reduce manipulation, lace breakage, shield your ends, better retention, giving your hair a break from daily styling and environmental stressors. In theory, this works. Tucking your ends away, leaving your strands alone, and maintaining moisture can absolutely help your hair thrive. But in practice, a lot of what we call protective styling isn't actually protecting anything when protective styles become destructive. Let's be honest, many people use protective styles as an excuse to neglect their hair for weeks or months. We install the style, say see you in 6 weeks, and expect magic growth when we take it down. But here's what's actually happening sometimes. 1. Tension and breakage. Tight braids, heavy extensions, or styles that constantly pull your edges are not protecting anything. They're slowly snatching your hairline and causing breakage at the roots. 2. Neglecting scalp and moisture. Your hair still needs care under the style. Dry cornrows under a wig for 2 months. Recipe for breakage. A protective style without moisture is just a dry style. 3. Overextending the style, leaving braids or twists in for way too long leads to matting, excessive shade hair buildup, and that's heartbreaking snapping during takedown. Improper installation or takedown. If the style wasn't installed gently or you yank it out without patience, all that protection gets undone in one evening. What makes a protective style truly protective? A protective style only works when it actually protects. Here's how to make sure it does. 1. Gentle installation. If it hurts, if it's too tight, your scalp shouldn't be screaming for help on day 1. 2. Scalp care. Moisturize your scalp and hair underneath. Water-based sprays plus lightweight oils work wonders. Think of it as giving your hair vitamins while it is resting. Don't skip wash days. Yes, you can gently wash or refresh your hair while in a protective style. Keeping your scalp clean prevents buildup and itchiness. 5. I've lost count. Reasonable time frame. Most styles are best kept at 4 to 6 weeks max. Past that, you're risking tangles and breakage. The last one is gentle takedown. Be patient. Use detangling products or conditioner. Rushing is how people lose weeks of growth in one night. The real protection comes from the routine behind the style, not the style itself. So no, protective styles aren't a scam, but they're not magic either. If you're using them as a shortcut to avoid caring for your hair, they can do more harm than good. Treat your hair kindly before, during, and after your styles, and that's when the real growth and retention happens. Comments below, what's the most protective style that actually broke your hair? Let's talk about it. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest natural hair truths. No sugar coating, just facts. Bye.